Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I am about to pack. We are going to a cabin in Lake Arrowhead, which is like kind of in the mountains, 40 degrees, a lot colder. I'm really excited. It's our first time going. I am such a last minute packer. I feel like I'm kind of getting the hang of like what I should be packing and what are just like things that I need. I thought maybe this would be like helpful for you guys, just kind of like some advice on what to pack. So I usually just make a list like this like a few days before packing and kind of like narrow down the outfit or like anything that I have to remember. I have a couple of like outfit ideas here. I have like key pieces, for example like a gray sweatshirt that it can be worn with like multiple outfits. I think I'm just gonna pack mostly like casual things and some like cuter winter outfits, and then we are actually going to celebrate our anniversary, so I definitely want to pack one outfit that's for like our anniversary dinner that's just kind of like cute but cozy, a little bit more dressy. So I have my away here. This is the large, and honestly for most trips I just use this. So I'm definitely going to bring my black puffer jacket because it is cold and I feel like this can go with like so many different things. Okay, so I'm just gonna put like everything I'm gonna pack for the most part in here, and then I'm gonna organize it. Favorite black skirt. It's cute, it's versatile, and then I gotta remember to bring some tights too. Also, this pile over here is just like the clothes that I've like thought of to wear, and then I just kind of left it here. Okay, obviously I need some jeans. These are my favorites recently, so I'm just gonna bring these. These are the Joni high-rise jeans from Denim Forum. So cute because we're going to like the cabin and it's gonna be cold. I gotta bring out my heat tech. I like always stress how important heat tech is. Got my heat tech top and my heat tech leggings. Okay, I'm referring back to the list that I made, and then next I have my gray sweater set from Source Unknown. This is like a set that I've been saving. So it's this gray sweater and cardigan set. So this is the dress, super cute, like a little sweater dress, and then it comes with a matching cardigan too. I'm gonna do it with these black lug boots. I'm gonna set them right here. I thought this would be a really cute outfit, maybe with like a coat over it or like a puffer. So I got some green cargo pants with a white turtleneck. Sweatshirt, gray sweatshirt. I feel like I can wear it with so many different things. And honestly, you guys, I am definitely overpacking right now because like I said, it's 4 days. But I just like to have options. T-shirt, great staple. I am going to bring some turtlenecks, and you guys know from my winter essentials video, black turtleneck, white turtleneck, my staple pieces. And I like to just bring a comfy sleeping shirt. Okay, the toiletries. I honestly usually don't bring this much if I'm traveling on like plane, just because there is that weight limit. Since we are just driving over, it doesn't really matter. Makeup over here, and then I have my skincare here, which is the largest bag. Here I just have all of my hair stuff, and then one more thing, I have my Dyson Airwrap here. They gave me this nice little travel case. I have my tripod, which I like to bring. It's very small and stackable. And now for all the other stuff, I'm gonna bring some scarves. Got my tights, and then I have all of my like undies and bras and stuff in here. I think I'm just gonna bring one coat. It's this one, this brown slouch coat from Maurizio, and obviously I have my puffer. Probably just gonna put it right on top, and I'm gonna bring 2 of my books. I'm just gonna put this in my book bag. These 2 bags, actually 3 bags. Honestly you guys, I overpack. I'm not like saying I'm a great example, but you guys wanted to see what I pack. Yeah, I tend to overpack. I really try not to. I have my earmuffs, my hair stuff, skincare, makeup, bag, shoes, and then on this side it's like my clothes and my coats, puffers, and all that.
Life sucks.
Put this on the stove. Yeah, and then just drain it. So quiet outside. I don't even want to like talk too loud. I'm gonna go back inside. We got in last night. If you guys are ever coming to Lake Arrowhead, I really recommend coming, like checking into your Airbnb during the day. We started driving a little bit later than we wanted to, and we got here around like 7, and it was like pitch black. It's like curvy too going up the mountain, so it was a little scary. Got to our Airbnb and it's so cute. It's like a little like a lounge cabin, is that what they call it? Got a little fireplace over here, the couch over here, coffee table, and then the open kitchen. Such a nice little like getaway, not even too far from LA. I think it was like it's a 2-hour drive without traffic. We hit some traffic, so it took us longer. So we have like this like patio balcony over here. Let's go upstairs really quickly. I'm like not used to having stairs, so going up and down seems like a little bit of a hassle. This is the bedroom, bathroom. There's another bathroom downstairs too, and then you overlook the rest of the space. So today is actually our anniversary, our 8-year anniversary. So I think we just will go to like the Lake Arrowhead town and maybe just like explore a little bit and then go out for dinner. Kobe, come here. Yes, good boy. This dog that's just been barking all morning. This is so cute when you look at it this way.
A bunch of bears just running like
It's so cute. Oh, I want to get a sweatshirt. We're at the Lake Arrowhead Village. It's kind of cute. Why am I wearing so much and you're literally wearing a hoodie? I don't like being cold. I'm excited. Come on. It's Kobe's world. It's Kobe's world. We're just living in it.
You want it extra crispy, right?
Hey, thanks, babe. Nice. We're heading home now, and it was 30 degrees on the mountain, and now it's 73 degrees. Oh, let's go this way. This is pretty. We're at the Huntington Library, Huntington Gardens and Library, and we came here like 2 weeks ago and it was really nice. So we wanted to come again because it is a lot bigger than we thought it was, and we missed like half the park. Oh, this is pretty. Pod flavored cookies, cakes, and ice cream. What's that?
What?
What do you think it is? Vanilla?
Oh, so smart.
I'm so smart. 6 as it dries. Cinnamon?
Oh, you're so smart.
I'm so smart. Just got back. We bought some stuff to make dumplings for Chinese New Year.
This one kind of looks like a butt crack, you know? I think this one is very nice, don't you?
No, I think this one's better.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. That actually looks better.
It's so
That actually looks
cute.
better.
I wish I can start over with the knowledge that I have now. They're like juicier than like the ones we buy from the store. They're actually like so juicy.